Hello there. Welcome to our channel. Are you tired of low interest rates on your savings account? Look no further. We have done the research and found the best savings account interest rates on the market. From online banks to traditional institutions, we'll show you where to get the most out of your savings. And don't worry about minimum deposits or monthly fees. We'll break it all down for you. So sit back, relax, and let us help you grow your savings. Make sure to subscribe to our channel for the latest updates and tips on how to maximize your money. Let's get started. The top 11 best savings account interest rates. A savings account is a good option for keeping money safe and accessible, but it doesn't have to be a poor choice for earning money. Some financial institutions offer high-interest savings accounts with rates comparable to those of CDs, but without the same restrictions. We regularly evaluate over 150 banks and credit unions to find the best savings rates and basis deals, including accounts with high yields, low minimum deposit requirements, and favorable fee structures. Additionally, we include money market accounts in our evaluations if they function like savings accounts and at high yields but don't allow check writing. We focus primarily on the annual percentage yield (APY) offered, but also consider factors such as the frequency of interest compounding, deposit accessibility, and customer service availability when evaluating savings accounts that are widely available throughout the U.S. to identify the best options for customers. My Savings Direct. My Savings Direct is an online banking service of Immigrant Bank, which has a long history dating back to 1850. At one point, it was the largest savings bank in the United States. Today, the bank offers a savings account that requires no minimum deposit balance or monthly fees and a high-yield CD. The savings account earns interest on a daily, which is credited to the account every month. Benefits of My Savings Direct include no need to maintain a minimum balance or pay monthly fees, automatic linking of savings account to a designated checking account. Disadvantages of My Savings Direct include limited banking services are available, only offers CDs and savings accounts. Higher interest rates may be available at other banks. UFB Direct High Yield Savings. UFB Direct is a subsidiary of Axis Bank, which is an internet-based financial institution. UFB Direct offers savings accounts and money market accounts. The bank also provides mortgages through its parent company. There is no minimum deposit required to open an account. Interest is accumulated on a daily basis and credited to the account every month. Advantages of UFB Direct include mobile account management tools, including the ability to deposit checks, money market account for payments. Disadvantages of UFB Direct include limited banking services are offered. Popular Direct Ultimate Savings. Popular Direct is a subsidiary of Popular, Incorporated, a well-established full-service U.S. bank with a 122-year history. It also operates in Puerto Rico and the Caribbean. Popular Direct is a primarily online-based institution that focuses on savings and CD accounts. To open a savings account, a minimum deposit of $5,000 is required. Interest is accumulated on a daily basis and credited to the account every month. VO Bank High Yield Online Savings. VO Bank is the online banking division of MidFirst Bank. The High Yield Online Savings account can be opened with $100. There are no monthly fees for customers who use online statements, and customer service is available during extended hours, including 9 p.m. Central on weekdays. The account does not charge monthly fees, even if the balance falls to zero. Interest is accumulated on a daily basis and credited to the account every month. Benefits of VO Bank include phone-based customer service is available 7 days a week, no monthly fees regardless of the balance. Drawbacks of VO Bank include checking accounts are not available. Bask Bank. Bask Bank, which created the first online-only savings account in 1999 through Texas Capital Bank, offers two savings accounts today: the high-yield interest savings account and the mileage savings account. The interest savings account earns a competitive 3.85% APY, with no minimum deposit or monthly fees. Interest is accumulated on a daily basis. The mileage savings account is a unique opportunity to earn airline miles by saving. Customers can earn one American Airlines AAdvantage mile for every $1 saved annually. Customer support is available by phone and email. Benefits of Bask Bank include no monthly maintenance fees, no minimum deposit requirement. Drawbacks of Bask Bank include no physical branches for in-person banking. CFG High Yield Money Market Account. CFG Bank, established in 1927, offers competitive APY on its online CFG high-yield money market account. While the website may not have the same level of functionality or information as some larger online banks, it may be a good option for those who prioritize high interest rates over user experience. To open the account, a minimum deposit of $1,000 is required to avoid a monthly fee, and a minimum daily balance of $25,000 must be maintained. Interest is accumulated on a daily basis and credited to the account every month. Benefits of CFG Bank include competitive CD rates complement the savings account. Disadvantages of CFG Bank include the website has limited information and features. Salem 5 Direct E1 Savings. Salem 5 Direct is the online banking division of Salem 5, an FDIC-insured mutual savings bank established in 1855 in Salem, Massachusetts. It offers CDs, a checking account, and a high-yield savings account. The savings account requires a minimum deposit of $100 and has no ongoing balance requirement. Interest is accumulated and credited to the account on a monthly basis. Benefits of Salem 5 Direct include no ongoing balance requirement, mobile account management tools. Disadvantages of Salem 5 Direct include similar interest rates may be available at other banks. Mutual One Bank Online Savings. Mutual One Bank is an established bank dating back to 1889 when it was founded as Framingham Cooperative Bank. The bank is based in Massachusetts, but allows customers to open an account regardless of where they live. However, it should be noted that the bank only has 3 ATM locations, all of which are located in Massachusetts. Therefore, if you plan on using an ATM frequently, you may want to consider another bank if you don't live in Massachusetts. The bank offers a wide range of bank accounts and loans, including an online savings account that requires a minimum deposit of $500 and has no ongoing balance requirement. Interest on the account is accumulated and credited on a monthly basis. Benefits of Mutual One Bank include no ongoing balance requirements, mobile account management tools. Disadvantages of Mutual One Bank include similar interest rates may be available at other banks. Customers Bank Ascent Money Market Savings Account. Customers Bank was established in 2009, and it provides a variety of personal banking products including checking, savings, money market accounts, and loans. The Money Market Savings Account is available online, however, this account is not offered in Alaska, Arizona, Hawaii, or New Mexico. The account has no monthly fees but requires a minimum deposit of $25,000 to open, and interest will not be earned if the balance falls below that amount. Interest is accumulated and credited on a monthly basis. Advantages of Customers Bank include competitive rates with no monthly fees. Disadvantages of Customers Bank include no interest earned if the balance falls below $25,000. Lower minimum deposit requirements may be available at other banks. Citbank Savings Connect. Citbank, established in 1908, originally provided financing to businesses in St. Louis, Missouri. There are no monthly fees and the account can be opened with as little as $100. Along with the savings account, Citbank also offers CDs, interest checking, and money market accounts. Benefits of Citbank include competitive no-penalty CD available, mobile banking with the option to deposit checks. Disadvantages of Citbank include similar or higher interest rates may be available at other banks with fewer requirements. My Banking Direct High-Yield Savings Account. My Banking Direct is an online banking service offered by New York Community Bank, which was established in 1859. The bank has assets of $59.5 billion, offers a wide range of banking products, and is known for its excellent customer service. Opening an account is easy. Simply fill out an online application and make a deposit of $500. Pros: no monthly fees, mobile account management tools including check deposit, wide range of products offered. Cons: no physical branches for in-person banking. And that is it. Thanks for watching our video on the best savings account interest rates. We hope you found the information helpful and informative. Remember to subscribe to our channel for more tips and updates on growing your savings. Thanks for tuning in, and we'll see you in our next video.